Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. This short video I made it just to show you how amazing the Truehost support system is. In my last video I did about Truehost or choosing hosting company, I said support is one of the most important thing, as we all know. So this few days ago I had an issue and I had to contact them, and if you look through you see that this chat actually started at about 1:58 a.m. in the middle of the night, and there's always a support agent to speak to you, to attend to whatever challenge you may have. And I got this issue fixed at about 2:16 or thereabout. So I just want to use this to support the claim I've made on Truehost hosting being an amazing hosting. So I left a link in the description of the video. If you want to use their hosting, just go ahead, click on the link in the description, and it will take you to their website where you can subscribe for hosting plan as cheap as 500 naira or even 400 if you are paying annually. So I hope this helps you in choosing a truly amazing hosting as far as African hosting is concerned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video. All right, bye for now. My name still remains Bolaji James, and this is Uncle B Media Network. Thanks for watching. Bye.